Hey everybody, it's Carol with Refunction Crafts, and today I'm going to be doing the raffle for the winner of my Etsy store raffle giveaway. This is for the month of October, not that. This is what we're going to be giving away in today's raffle, and this is for anybody who spent $50 or more in my Etsy shop during the month of October. So it is a Mickey and Minnie Mouse watch charm. And you can see it's got the hook to put it on your purse, or you can put keys on it, however you want to do it. I don't know if I would put keys on it myself, just because I would be afraid it would get all scratched up and stuff, and it's just too pretty for that. Let me see. I'm getting it a little off kilter there. There we go. So that is our giveaway, and whoever wins this is going to be one lucky duck. I would like to keep it myself, honestly, if I could, but I can't keep everything I make. So anyway, I'm going to dig into this box here and pick a winner. Okay, I'm turning it away from me. And here we go. And our winner is Pat Joyce. Congratulations, Pat. Congratulations. And Pat actually she made a few purchases in my store in October, so that's awesome. Pat has bought stuff for her grandchildren, and I think her daughter-in-law was also another person that she bought something for, but she made actually a few purchases in my store, and I really appreciate you, Pat. I thank you so much for your kindness and your generosity and for supporting my store and my channel, and I'm just really, really happy that you won the prize today. So I will be mailing out your package probably the first, well, by early next week, it will go out. Today is Thursday the 3rd, I think. And so it will go out by early next week to you, Pat. So congratulations to you. I'm super glad you won, and I'll get that right out to you. And then to everyone else who supported my store for the month of October, thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you equally. You guys have been a blessing to Jeff and I. And there just are not enough words to say thank you for your support and your generosity and your kindness. So thank you for supporting the channel, and thank you for supporting my Etsy shop. So everybody, just make sure you've got, for the month of November, you've got this one that you'll be entered in the raffle for. It's a valuable box. We are trying to make some more of these to have them, to put them in our shop for sale. I know Jeff's got a couple kind of ready to go, but he's been real busy this last week, so he hasn't been able to work in the wood shop at all. But hopefully next week he'll be getting, or this weekend or next week, he'll be getting back out there and getting going on some more of these boxes. But anyway, I guess that's it for today's video. Congratulations, Pat, and thank you to everybody else. And so if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would greatly appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I do future videos. And for those of you who are subscribed to my channel, thank you for your support. I appreciate all of you so much. And I'm glad you're sticking around to see more videos and get more tutorials. I've got a couple of videos that I did yesterday, one on some shabby flowers and one on some little Christmas babies. And those will be coming out shortly. I'm having trouble with my internet right now, so I don't know what's going on, why I can't seem to get anything to connect. But I can't. And so as soon as I get that figured out, I will be releasing those videos along with this one. I think what I'll try and do is get this video done first and on you know, so everybody can see who the winner is. And then I will add the other 2 behind it. So probably not the same day, probably a couple days apart. But anyway, so that's today's video, y'all. Again, I appreciate each and every one of you. If you're not subscribed, please, I'm trying to grow my channel, and share my videos with your friends and family. Maybe some of them would enjoy watching my tutorials as well. I've got so many variations of different projects and things that, you know, I try to, I call myself the eclectic crafter. I know I've been doing a lot of shabby chic lately, and that's just because that happens to be something I love doing. But I'm trying to shake it up a little bit and do some different videos. Thus, you guys got the ruby slipper, and I'm trying to come up with some other different videos. I also have, I'll show you this because it's sitting here. My friend Nancy, a long time ago, and I'm ashamed of myself that I haven't done it yet, she sent me some great purses to alter. And I used to do a lot of altering of purses, but look at this one she sent me. She sent me all, they're all like evening bag type things. Here's another one. The other 2 are put away, but here's a couple of the ones that she has sent me, and I just love them. And I feel like, I guess I need to turn them around this way. I feel like these would be really great projects to alter, and I don't want to do too much, but I do want to make them different. You know, I got them so that I could alter them, so they will be different. These are both very plain, which gives me a blank canvas to work on. So super duper excited about it. Look at this. Isn't that awesome? So those will be coming up. A couple of things I've got planned. And so stay tuned. And another thing I want to do is I want to try and make a couple of pouches. I haven't done that in a long time, and I thought it might be fun to do another pouch video and maybe try and do something a little different this time, since I've got so many of these great new laces and things to work with. So anyway, thanks a lot, you guys. Have a great day. Be blessed. Take care and stay well. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. God bless.